How to delete page from PDF file. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove specific pages from a PDF file on your laptop or computer using various methods, including free online tools and built-in features. So let's get started. Simply head over and open the specific PDF. It doesn't matter in which application you open it, whether Adobe, whether Google, whether Microsoft Edge, Chrome, whichever you want. Simply open the PDF, and once you're here, you'll be able to see the print icon over here, or you can simply click on Control plus P. So once you do so, you'll notice a print window appear in front of you. So once you do so here, you'll be able to see the print window appear. So now over here at the left side, you'll be able to see pages. And now, right now, by default, it's on all. That means it's going to print all of the pages. Now, if you wish to delete specific pages, for example, if you wish to delete even pages, you're going to click on odd pages only so that it's going to save odd pages of the PDF only. We can see that this PDF is containing 4 pages right now. So let us just remove the page number 3, that is this one. So to do that, simply click on Control P. And here, if you wish to remove the page number 3, you got to type down the pages that you want to keep. So we're going to type in 1, 2, 4. That will remove the page 3. So now you can see in this visual, like there is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now it's going to remove this 3 page. And then you got to choose whether you want it to be colored. So we're just going to let it be colored. And then you got to click on print. And once you do so, you got to save this wherever you want. So let us say we're going to save it over here. Or I'll just click on documents in order to save it. Click on save. So once it's saved, you can simply navigate to that folder and open the PDF, and that page would be deleted, which you excluded. So that is basically how you can delete page from PDF files. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.